everyone, I am Cheska of Seska V, and today I am showing you PM routine for dry skin. So for my first cleanse, I am using this Bright Side cleanser that easily melts my makeup and my sunscreen. This is very hydrating for my skin, and as you can see, the texture is creamy and it leaves my skin well moisturized. And you can choose any cleanser that suits your skin well for your second cleanse. And for my evening serum, I like to use this Pep Rally Gel Serum. It's a little thicker than a normal serum, but this has botanical hyaluronic acid combined with aloe and jojoba. It also has green tea, vitamin E, and vitamin C for soothing and nourished skin repair overnight. And for my moisturizer, I am using this Daydreamer moisturizer, which is perfect for dry skin. But the rosehip oil in this moisturizer is the winner for me. It has a lot of other great ingredients to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized, and also repair skin elasticity and evening skin tone. And lastly, to seal everything, I am using this High Society face oil. The scent of neroli is so therapeutic every time I apply this at night. This oil is packed with moisturizing ingredients, and it also restores my skin to a radiant glow in the morning. So that's it. I hope you like my PM routine for dry skin, and if you have questions, comment down below. See ya!